हेलो स्टूडेंट्स। आज हम बात करेंगे एमसीक्यूज ऑन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन ऑफ इंडिया में कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल बॉडीज एंड नॉन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल बॉडीज के बारे में। बीच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज अ कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल बॉडी, दैट इज इलेक्शन कमीशन ऑफ इंडिया। द इलेक्शन कमीशन इज एस्टैब्लिश्ड अंडर आर्टिकल 320, who appoints the chief election commissioner, president of India. Which article provides for the Union Public Service Commission? Article 315. Which body is responsible for recruitment to all India services? UPSC. The Finance Commission is constituted under Article 280. How often is the Finance Commission appointed? Every 5 years. Which of the following is not a constitutional body? Central Vigilance Commission. Who appoints the CAG of India? President. The CAG is mentioned under Article 148. Which article deal with the Attorney General of India? Article 76. The Attorney General is the chief legal advisor of the Government of India. Which constitutional body advises the President on financial distribution? Finance Commission. Which body ensures the conduct of free and fair election? Election Commission. Who determines the condition of service of UPSC members? President. Tenure of CAG is 6 years or up to age 65. Election Commission of India consists of Chief Election Commissioner and other election commissioner. Who presents the report of the UPSC to the President? UPSC itself. CAG audits the account of central and state governments. Which of the following is a multi-member constitutional body? Election Commission. The State Public Service Commission is established under Article 315. Who appoints the chairman of State Public Service Commission? Governor. Finance Commissioner recommendation is advisory in nature. Who submit the CAG report? CAG to President. The removal procedure of the CAG is similar to that of Supreme Court judge. National Commission for SCs is constitutional body. Article 338. Which article provides for National Commission for STs? Article 338A. The State Election Commission is established under Article 243K. The State Election Commissioner is appointed by the Governor. Which of these is not a part of the Election Commissioner's responsibility? That is Panchayat elections in state. Who can remove the Chief Election Commissioner? President with parliamentary approval. Tenure of election commissioner is 6 years or until age 65. Which commission deal with the scheduled caste? National Commission for SC. Which constitutional body looks into backward class issues? National Commission for Backward Class. Who appoint the members of the Finance Commission? President of India. Attorney General has the right to speak in both houses of parliament but no voting rights. Which article provides for Aegis function? Article 76. CAG reports are examined by Public Accounts Committee of Parliament. The chairman of the Finance Commission must be a person with finance or public affairs experience. Who determines the annulments of AG? President. UPSC's role is mostly advisory. Which article gives UPSC the power to conduct exams? Article 320. The president can remove an election commissioner on recommendation of Supreme Court after inquiry. Which article ensures independence of Public Service Commission? Article 322. Who decides number of members in election commission? President. CAC submits reports to the president who lays it before parliament. Article 148 deals with the control and auditor general. Election Commission is responsible for Parliament and State Assembly election. Removal of UPSC members before term requires President with SC inquiry. Which article provides that UPSC expenses are charged on Consolidated Fund of India? Article 322. Second, non-constitutional and extra-constitutional bodies. Which of the following is a statutory body? National Human Rights Commission, that is NHRC. NHRC was established under Protection of Human Rights Act 1993. CVC, that is Central Vigilance Commission, was established by executive resolution. Niti Aayog is extra constitutional and non-statutory body. Planning Commission was replaced by the Niti Aayog in 2015, who is the chairperson of the National Human Rights Commission, retired Chief Justice of India, which body replaced the Planning Commission of India, Niti Aayog. Lokpal is an statutory body which established Lokpal in India. Lokpal and Lok Youth Act 2013, who appoint the chairperson of NHRC, President of India. The Central Information Commission was formed under which Act? Right to Information Act 2005. The CIC is a statutory body. The main function of Niti Aayog is policy formulation and cooperative federalism. Which of the following is not a statutory body? That is Niti Aayog. Which body investigates corruption complaints against public servants? Central Vigilance Commission. The chairperson of CVC is appointed by President on the recommendation of the committee, which act established the Central Vigilance Commission as a statutory body. CVC Act 2003. The State Human Rights Commission are created under Protection of Human Rights Act 1993. The Information Commission hears appeals against public authorities under RTI Act, which body had the primary role of eliminating corruption in government body. CVC, who aids the Niti Aayog, Prime Minister of India. The CEO of Niti Aayog is appointed by the Prime Minister. The Lokpal has jurisdiction over the Lokpal has jurisdiction over public servants including PM. Lokayut operates at the level of state. The National Commission for Women is a statutory body. Which of the following body is established under a Parliament Act, that is NHRC? National Commission for National Commission for Minority is a statutory body. The chairperson of NCW is appointed by central government. Which body conducts the civil service examination, that is UPSC? Who presents the UPSC report to the Parliament? President of India. Which of the following statement is true? Constitutional bodies are mentioned in the Constitution. Which body is responsible for redressal of human rights violation? NHRC. Who is the custodian of the Constitution? Supreme Court. A body created by an act of parliament is called a statutory body. A body created by executive resolution without a law is called as the extra constitutional body. National Commission for Women was formed under National Commission for Women Act 1990. Who conduct election to Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha? Election Commission of India. State Election Commission are responsible for election to panchayats and municipalities. Which body is not created under the Constitution? That is the National Human Rights Commission. Which one of the following is not a statutory body? Planning Commission. The first Lokpal of India was appointed in 2019. Who was the first Lokpal of India? Justice Pinaki Chandra Ghosh. Which of the following is true about the CAG? Has powers similar to a SC judge in removal. How is Niti Aayog different from Planning Commission? That is, it is advisory and promotes cooperative federalism, which is the apex body for coordination between central and state, that is Niti Aayog. Statutory bodies derive power from an act of the parliament. Non-statutory bodies are created by the executive resolution. The State Information Commission are governed by the RTI Act 2005. Which of the following has a quasi-judicial role, that is NHRC? The CIC's decisions are binding on public authorities. Thank you.